Nariri uria umanite na
kuhitukira mubango wa kuhe ciana cia nathari iria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, gavana wa kaunti ya Francis Kimemia nioritie murugamiriri munene wa Kiganda ya KCC gutigirira arimi a mahiu ma iria nimagurirwo iria na thogora wa kuguna.
Lakini huu ni mradi ambao utadumu katika kaunti yetu na najua utasaidia sana, hasa kwa sababu hii ni marginal county na wazazi wetu hawana pesa na kuna shida sana ya umaskini katika Nyandarua County.
Kimemia niathiete na mbere kuga murimi munene ene ihakiria guthaitirwo kumana na broker aria makoretwo makimanyarira na njira ya kumagurira iria na thogora wa thi muno.
Tunataka kuingia mpaka ale primary school. Kumekuwa pia na shida, tungependa pia kusaidia watoto kuanzia class stand 1 to 4 na kuendelea mpaka full primary school, tukiona hali bado inahitaji wasaidiwe.
Munene wake murugamiriri munene wa Kiganda ya KCC Nixon Sigei niugite ni atanyite gutigirira arimi a ng'ombe cia iria nimagunika kumana na wendia wa iria riao.
New KCC, we will work on this, we will diversify our products and even enhance our export market for our products within the region and outside the region, so that at least our farmers be able to get higher prices for their hard work. And we are committed to doing that, and we have enhanced our export to the region, so that at least as they work hard, we have better returns for them.
Sigei ni athite na mbere kuga niguo gutigirira arimi a nimagunika nimacokereirie makiria ma ciringi milioni 150 niguo gutigirira thogora wa iria nduracenjia.
Wazee mkumbuka wakati wanakumbuka hizo.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV rito riako ni wa Njogu wa Wachira.
Naona ngavana ni wendia na iria sana.